Hey, have you ever seen dump trailers like these? Let me show you what makes us different. Forward mounted aluminum tarp system with an integrated shield and a carryover arm, making covering your load super easy. So easy. Skid steer fork storage, step combo that can be added to your trailer at any point. Heavy duty bolt-on fenders and steps, making the repair process a fraction of the time and cost of other dump trailers. Reverse lights, standard, with the protective backing, standard stab jacks, and optional mud flaps. And so everything lasts as long as you need it to. Look at all these grease points. They're on the bed hinges too. Super HD aluminum ramps, standard. Rear mounted work lights for loading, hauling, and dumping early in the morning and late at night. Swivel them where you need them. One piece, seamless, 7-gauge floors. Really 3/16 grade 50 high impact steel. But who's asking? And 24-inch steel sides. Well, Junior, that's pretty normal. Yeah, but check out these pressure treated boards. 2x12-inch pressure treated boards, all stainless steel hardware, 2x4 reinforcement in your stake pockets. When you buy the trailer, you're ready to work and your sides are 36 inches. We got them tight in here, so I can only open one door, but let me show you. Secondary latch, pop that open, swing that way. And here's the floor we were talking about, but who's asking? So take a look at the sidewall. There's a tube on the bottom of the sidewall. It'll be okay, it's good powder coat. There's a tube on the top of the sidewall. This reinforces your sidewall. It's not just a bent piece of steel, it's tube reinforced. D-rings on the sidewalls instead of on the floor. Make it easy for when you gotta shovel stuff out or you put concrete in here. And last, look at the front wall. The front wall is as tall as the boards. Others will give you the same front wall, and then you put your boards on, you have to put boards up there. No, you're ready to go. You got steel up there. It's very strong. And check out this underbody storage. It's an aluminum box, non-corrosive, can be added to your trailer at any point, and it's a great place to put additional tools when you're headed to the job site. And check out these aluminum mag wheels. Got the old school look. It's really not too much to upgrade. They last forever, and they look real good. And then there's the Aux Box. Whoa. I can't tell you too much about that yet, but it's pretty cool, and we'll make a video for you about that later. But what I can say is it takes some of your basic functions and makes them smart. Thanks for hanging with us for a minute. If you want any more information, check us out at bandittrailers.com or any of the socials. Bandit!